Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of baking. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. All right, first things first, let's gather our ingredients. For these fresh sugar cookies, you'll need flour, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Make sure everything is measured out and ready to go before we move on. Now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to mix the dough. We'll start by creaming the butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy. Then, we'll add in the eggs and vanilla extract, mixing until everything is well combined. Finally, we'll gradually add the flour and salt, mixing just until the dough comes together. And there you have it. Our cookie dough is ready. Alright, now that our dough has chilled, it's time to shape the cookies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a small portion of dough and roll it into a ball about 1 inch in diameter. Place each ball onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, making sure to leave some space between each one. Gently press down on each ball to flatten it slightly. Now, let's get these cookies into the oven. Bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Be careful not to overbake them, as we want them to stay nice and soft in the center. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes. After the cookies have cooled on the baking sheet for a bit, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now comes the fun part, decorating. You can use icing, sprinkles, or any other toppings you like. Get creative and have fun with it. Just make sure the cookies are completely cool before you start decorating so the icing doesn't melt. And there you have it. Delicious homemade cookies ready to enjoy. Whether you're sharing them with friends and family or keeping them all to yourself, we hope you had fun baking with us today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and finding your favorite recipes. Happy baking!